meeting which is held periodically every month by the district magistrate ma'am, and SP South compiles the data. It is regarding narcotics cases and awareness programs conducted by various departments in the South Goa district. And this meeting which was held today was pertaining to the awareness program done by the health department, by the education department, by the police department, by the IB, by the NCB, by customs, and many more other departments. Captain of Ports is also included in that. So accordingly we collect the data and verifications are done, and whether the actions taken in curbing this menace, whether all the other parameters are checked. All this is taken into consideration while deciding the further course of action during the meetings.